Hi everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry again, and we're going to talk about the color wheel one more time. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to use the color wheel using the Tetrad. We've already done the rectangle one, but there's almost a square looking one as well. So if you notice, I have the square on the yellow, and so the yellow primary one up here. So with that, the Tetrad colors that we would utilize would be the yellow, the orange red, the, let's see, the violet down here, and then the blue green up there. So this is going to be a fun experiment utilizing fluid art techniques, probably the swipe. I might use a Dutch pour or two. I found that the Dutch pours weren't working as well as the swipes. So let's do that. So don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification bell. I do appreciate your comments that you put below. And so let's get you down on the canvas so I can teach you something. All right, bye for now. All right, so we're gonna do the second Tetrad, which adds in some of the combo colors. So this first one will be blue, red, violet. That's blue, red, violet, yellow, green, and then orange. And I think we'll do a Dutch pour on this one since there's multiple different colors. So I'll just do a puddle and then I'll maybe, yeah, I'll do a stripe and then I'll blow out that way. So I'm gonna do it this way. I'll start with the warm color. Warm color has anything that has yellow in it. I think I'll go with a cool color next. With the warm color next because it's got yellow in it. Some greens are cool colors. And this one with the yellow, it's not as much. And because I really like this purple violet, I'm gonna do a little bit more of that. And just put a little bit on each side. Really beautiful. Probably won't look like this soon because this white paint just doesn't do as well. Seems to kind of, the white paint kind of comes to the surface for some reason. I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes. Actually, I'm just gonna play with it. Cool combo. Unfortunately, the next two videos got corrupted in the cloud, and therefore I don't have a video of how I created them, but I do have the dried results. And so this one happens to be the second Tetrad I did, which is a blue, green, red, orange, yellow, and violet. Really pretty colors. I really like this one. And then this next one that I have dried results for are the blue, violet, green, red, and yellow, orange. And then I also have a video of myself describing the dried results as well. So this next group are probably my favorites. They're still a tetrad, but it's the different square or different rectangle. So instead of the lighter one, we're gonna go with the darker one behind here. More of a square instead of a rectangle. It's still a rectangle because it's not equal sides, but so yeah. And that one we're gonna start with blue, and it'll be blue, red, violet, orange, and yellow, green. I think that's the one we're doing here. Nope, that's not it. Hold on, I gotta get it right. Okay, here we go. So if we're looking at the blue one, and it's the darker shade square, it's the blue, yellow, green, red, violet, and this one right here, the orange, I think, right? Yep, orange. It's kind of hard for me to see it in the camera when I'm showing it to you, but it's that darker red, oops, blue, yellow, green, orange, and then red, violet. And this is what this one looks like. I did it on a bigger canvas. So those are those colors. Again, tetrad, blue, red, violet, orange, and yellow, green. Made that combination. The next two are probably my favorites. So let's see, let me do this one next. So this one starts with the red. So it is red, yellow, orange, green, and blue, violet. So let's start here. So there's the red. Whoops, gotta pull it back or put it over here. It's kind of hard, there we go. So we've got the red, yellow, orange, the blue, violet. Oops, I gotta get that back here. Too shiny, there you go. And then the blue, violet, and then the green. So these ones right here, those two, yellow, orange, and then the red. Okay, So this one's a really pretty one, I think. It adds, and I would have thought it would have looked a little bit different with the yellow orange, but it came out really pretty. I like the colors together. Okay, and then my last one that I did is probably my favorite color combination. It starts with violet, so let me get that one. Violet, and then it goes red, orange, yellow, and blue, green. All right, so we got violet, red, orange, blue, green, and yellow. Well, there it goes. And the yellow right here. So those are the color combinations that I did on this Tetrad. And this is it right here. And it's probably my favorite of all the different combos. So I'm probably gonna do some type of a cool painting in this. But so the whole point of utilizing this and creating just some experiments, if you will, is to help figure out what trips your trigger, what colors are you looking for, and then utilizing the color wheel, whether it is split combo, split complementary, I should say, not split combo, whether it's the split complementary of the Tetrad, or if it is a opposite or the complementary colors. The only one I have not done yet for the combination, and I've got to get my glasses on to read this, but would be the Triad. So the Triad would be, let's just use it for blue. So the Triad would be for blue, would be yellow and red, right? And then if it was purple or violet, it would be violet, orange, and green. So I haven't done those ones yet, but I really wanted to do kind of more of the more complicated one. Everybody's seen red, yellow, and blue kind of together. So, so that's the reason why I stuck with those. But anyway, so those were our results. So I hope that that helped you to kind of figure out what you would like to do for your next painting. All right, bye for now. Talk to you soon.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.